Alright, this is Chris. Got a 2012 Ford Explorer Limited 4-wheel drive. Thought it possibly had a bad wheel bearing. Come to find out, the transfer case has gone bad, or it's called a PTO by some people. But the dealership wanted $2,400 to fix it, and I could buy the part brand new for I think just under $700. So you do it yourself, you save $1,700, maybe more with tax. So there aren't any videos on here showing you how to do it, so I figured I would show you what I had to do to get it out. Sorry for the camera, I can't see what I'm videoing. I'm using a GoPro. Get under here to show. This is the new transfer case, PTU. We put it on yesterday, but as you can see, you have to drop a whole lot of stuff to get it out. You have to disconnect the drive shaft. You have to disconnect the entire subframe. If you can see that, you have to disconnect the entire subframe, and there is a stabilizer bar that holds the transmission here and the engine by a dog bone shaped stabilizer bar that mounts to the subframe. I don't know that it's necessary, but I put a jack under to give the motor and the transmission a little extra support, because they do move a little when you disconnect this stabilizer. You have to disconnect the right axle shaft, and I disconnected everything. I took the wheels off and everything. I didn't take the driver's side off. But when you lower this subframe, you have to disconnect all of the steering. I think this is like an electronic power steering, maybe. You have to disconnect the wiring harness to that, because it goes to the battery. You have to disconnect the sway bar links up there. You have to disconnect the lower control arms, and the entire thing just lowers down. Really, it's a pain to get to. You have to disconnect the entire exhaust system. You have to disconnect the catalytic converter on the back side. So today I'm putting stuff back together. Wish me luck.